Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin by heating 4 cups of water to a rolling boil, then remove from heat and add 8 black tea bags. Steep for 6 to 8 minutes for a strong concentrate. While the concentrate is hot, stir in 1 cup granulated sugar until fully dissolved to create the classic sweet profile. Pour the concentrated tea into a gallon pitcher, add 12 cups cold water to dilute, chill at least 2 hours, and serve over ice with lemon wedges or fresh mint for brightness. Pick a garden site that receives 6 to 8 hours of direct sun and has well-drained soil. Avoid low areas that pool water. Test the soil pH, then amend with 2 inches of compost and 1 tablespoon of balanced fertilizer per square foot if needed, working amendments into the top 6 inches. Start seeds indoors or buy transplants and plant after your local last frost date, spacing seedlings 12 to 24 inches apart, depending on the vegetable, to allow airflow and root development. Water consistently, delivering about 1 inch per week to the root zone with drip irrigation or soaker hoses. Increase frequency in periods of heat or drought for steady growth. Apply 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch like straw or shredded leaves to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and keep soil temperature stable, and monitor for pests weekly, removing by hand or using targeted organic controls. Harvest vegetables at peak ripeness, store or use immediately, and enjoy a pitcher of chilled sweet tea with fresh salads, grilled produce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.